What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a hot freaking days like we are. Relax. So if you notice, Boomer is here off leash, walking around everybody. Still some tension here and there. But overall, come on, bud. Come on. Come on. Look at that. Hold in. Big butt, big butt. Ugh. So, we're getting more acclimated with the pack here. Doing better. More comfortable. Not focusing on really anything right now. Mona. Mona. Spike. What are you doing? Hold on. Stop. Boomer just laying around, chilling out. We like to see that. We like to see more of that. Sorry, it's hard to clean poop while I have a phone and a broom and everything else. So anyway, doing good. Nothing really to report. We're just kind of, now she's walking around them. Boomer, come here. Perfect. Good girl. Good girl. Go. Good girl, Boomer. We got Carly. Alright, let's just do a quick roll call. Gidget, Zoe, Spike, Mona, Colden, Gidget, Kalua, Boomer, Carly, Sambuca, Lucy, Red Bull, Ricky, and I think my mom has a couple inside. So, anyway, they're looking at me like, come on, let's go inside already. So here you got Mona sniffing. You know, keep in mind she's not super comfortable with the sniffing yet. She's not super comfortable with a lot of movement, but we're getting better. So, hey, get out of there. Go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Hey. Boomer. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good girls. So I don't mind that she hangs out once in a while, but I do want her to feel comfortable to walk through the pack. See, if she's going in the corner, I'm going to get out of there. Cool, she did it herself. Oh, buddy. Let's see. So, wish us luck. Tomorrow we're taking Lucy to a family and seeing if it be a match for a foster or adoption kind of situation. There we go. Love to see it. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. Good girl. Good girl. Alright, folks. You can see she's walking around. But see, we still have that pacing, right? So some dogs do that with the borders of their territory as like a territorial thing. I feel like she's doing it more out of a pacing, kind of a nervous, uneasy, having this energy inside of her, not knowing what to do with it, so she kind of walking it out. Almost like when humans pace back and forth, they're trying to figure something out, they feel uneasy. So, got a little ways to go. Start walking her out here with some dogs here pretty soon. Hey! So we got Red Bull's craziness walking and running over here. Ricky! Good boy. Hey, buddy. Alright. So here's an update on Boomer. Look at that. I love the way she's sitting right there. I got that to chillax where she's like leaning on a leg rather than sitting up and down. Alright, we're all just gonna go back in the air conditioning and try to exist through the heat. So I hope you all have a good day. Do me a favor, if you like the dogs, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please push that subscribe button. And start taking her for a ride in the convertible with some other dogs, and start taking her to situations where she's forced to get along with other dogs. She's done really well. Only one growl the whole time she's been here, and that was regarding food. A dog was walking past while she was eating, so. And that hasn't happened since either, so. Alright, folks. Oh, excuse me. Hope you all have a good day. Stay cool. If you can't stay out of the heat, go jump in the ocean. That's what I want to do right now. I want to try to outswim a shark. Sambuca's out. Hey! So if you see that, everything's cool. Mona comes up, does a very direct sniff, and then she had to turn her head because she didn't feel hey! She didn't feel comfortable. So when I said, hey, Mona walked away. See, that would have been an issue a couple days ago. So see, she's doing pretty good, And you guys, Zoe! Crazy dog. So if you notice now, she's starting to sniff as dogs walk by. She wasn't doing that yesterday. Spike sniffing her. See the difference between Spike sniffing and how Mona was sniffing if you rewind the tape? It just happened a quick second. But Spike is a distance back, and his head is moving forward, but not his body. So that's polite. Whereas if the body moves forward, then he's getting into her personal space, and then she's going to feel like she has to react because she's not one of the other, she's not like one of the other dogs yet, And I think just about every one of these dogs here had issues when they came here. Similar issues. So we're all just some out of balance creatures just trying to get along together. Alright, folks. I'll call it. Good boy, Colin. Good boy. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Again, thanks a lot for subscribing. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the dogs and the video and everything. And it'll be interesting to see how Boomer progresses.